Part of having less back pain is being able to strengthen our core and the muscles of the lower back. So that's what we'll be working on right now. We begin with what we call a hip hinge, and I'll turn to the side so that you can see. Sitting up nice and tall, we take an inhale, and as we exhale, bending at the hips so that as you come forward, you're doing it with a flat back. And then we just come up straight. Inhale, and as you exhale, coming forward, pulling in the navel, a flat back. And notice my hands are in my lap, coming up tall, just for extra support. Inhale, hinging at the hips, coming forward with a flat back to whatever degree feels comfortable to you, and then coming back up to center. And each time we're coming back up to center, we're really activating the muscles of the core. So facing you, same movement, but another option would be to remove your hands from your lap. So bringing the hands into cactus. Inhale here, and as you exhale, hinging at the hips, coming forward, just like to look over your toes. Flat back. Exhale and come up. Inhale as you exhale, looking over your toes. Inhale and come up. Let's do that a few times. Coming forward, pull in your navel. Let's hold it here. Take a breath in and out. In, and as you exhale, coming up. Let's just do a few easy cat-cows to release the back. To strengthen the core even more, I'm going to turn to the side, and you'll need to do that as well. This is a variation of boat pose, something that you'll find in many traditional yoga programs. Keeping one hand on my lap and one hand is holding on to the chair. Sitting up nice and tall, I inhale, and as I exhale, I lean back. Notice how straight my back is. Now my gaze is looking up. I'm not bending my neck to look forward. I'm looking straight up and coming back to center. Now, if this hurts your lower back, then don't do that exercise today. Build up to it little by little as you strengthen moving forward. But if it did not cause you any pain, let's try that again. Inhale, and as you exhale, leaning back, looking up into the distance, and coming back. An option would be to take one hand in front of you. And as you lean back, just leaving that hand straight out in front and coming up. Another option when you feel that your back and your core is strong is to release both hands out in front of you, sitting up nice and tall, and inhale. As you exhale, leaning back, hold it only for as long as, and the chair is here, hold on to the chair if you need it, but if you don't, pull in your navel, feel the strength of your core, and come back up. Let's do a few cat-cows just to release the lower back. We'll try that once more, any variation. So hand on the chair, on your lap, one hand in front, both hands in front, sitting up tall, inhale, and as you exhale, leaning back, hold, 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 and coming back up. Wow. Okay, that was a lot of work for the core and for the back. So coming forward, and your knees are nice and wide apart, and just making a few small circles with your chin around and around in one direction and then the other. And that feels much better after all that work. Good for you. That was tough practice today, but you did it. Come back to this practice to strengthen your core and your back. And that's it. Take 5 yoga. 5 minutes of mat-free yoga for beginners and gentle yogis. To learn more about my midlife yoga program, please visit www.youarerightontime.com. I'll see you for our next episode of Take 5 Yoga. And until then, I wish you namaste and peace.